You are probably familiar with Google AdSense. If not, here's a 3-step recap for you. Step 1. You add your ad inventory. Step 2. Advertisers bid on your ad spaces. Step 3. You cash in your earnings. Today we'll go through everything you need to know before you start making money with Google AdSense. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel, and if you are on YouTube, click the alert notification so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. What is Google AdSense? Google AdSense is one of the most popular Google monetization tools. It allows website owners to earn money by displaying ads on their sites. It's a free platform connecting website owners with advertisers. But how does Google AdSense work? To get started, you need to create a Google AdSense account. Then add a small piece of code to your website, and that's it. Later on, Google will automatically match the most relevant ads with your website and display them to your users. When the user lands on your site and clicks on the ad, you'll earn money from it. But how do advertisers benefit from Google AdSense? First and foremost, Google AdSense is connected with Google Ads, which is a platform used by advertisers. Google Ads uses a pay-per-click model. This means that advertisers only pay when someone clicks on their ad, making it highly cost-efficient. Secondly, websites in Google AdSense are included in the Google Display Network. It consists of 2 million websites, so advertisers have a huge pool of potential customers they can target. But how do you set up Google AdSense? First, you should check if you meet the eligibility criteria, which are as follows. You must be over 18 years old. You need access to your website's HTML source code. Your website must have original, high-quality content. You shouldn't generate or encourage invalid activity on your site. Your site should be free from offensive, hateful, and adult content. And you must comply with Google News, AdSense program, and Google Search Essentials. You must ensure that your site has good usability and is free from malware, malicious redirects, phishing, and other practices that interfere with your website usage. And you must avoid misleading headings or buttons that can be mistaken for ads. In addition to the requirements we just mentioned, here are some unofficial rules that might help you get approved. We have noticed that if your website is at least 6 months old and has privacy policy and About Us pages, it can help speed up the approval process. It should also have a minimum of 15 articles. There are 2 stages for getting your website approved for Google AdSense. The first stage is verification. You must send an application request. The verification stage takes from 24 to 48 hours, or in some cases up to a week. If it takes longer, feel free to contact Google AdSense support to find out why. The second stage comes after your website has been approved. You will receive the ad code that you need to add to your website section. During the verification stage, AdSense has already started scanning your website to determine what ad inventory and traffic you have so it can place ads on your site. It can take from a couple of hours or up to a day to start seeing ads on your website, depending on how quickly AdSense can determine the best ad types for your website. Let's move on to Google AdSense payments. Google AdSense offers different payment models for publishers. Publishers can choose to get paid on clicks or impressions. But the amount of money earned per click or impression varies significantly. CPC and CPM ads compete with each other in Google AdSense. The ad which is expected to earn the most revenue for the publisher gets displayed. Now on to payment methods. Depending on your payment address, there may be several forms of payment available to you, including wire transfer, EFT, and others. Minimum threshold. The default and minimum amount for Google AdSense payment threshold is $100, or equivalent in other currencies. If your current balance hasn't yet reached the payment threshold, your finalized earnings will roll over to the next month until the threshold is met. Payment terms. To receive your payment, you will need to provide your tax information, verify your identity and address, select the form of payment, and meet the payment threshold. But how much can you earn from Google AdSense? Your AdSense earnings will heavily depend on your website niche. For example, the most high-paying AdSense niche in 2023 is law. A close second is the automobile industry. Cryptocurrency, insurance, and technology are also among the top highest-paying AdSense niches. You can check the CPC and keyword difficulty of niche-related keywords through tools like Google Keyword Planner, WordStream, SEMrush, or others. However, keep in mind that these are just benchmarks, and it doesn't mean you'll be paid exactly that much for a click. But it still is a good idea to target those keywords because you have a chance of earning more. So how much does AdSense pay for one click? Your earnings per click will depend on many factors like the competition of your website's niche, traffic, geolocation, ad placements, CTR, and many more. In practice, most websites' cost per click ranges from $20 to $15. You can try the AdSense revenue calculator for a rough estimate for your website. So, is AdSense still profitable in 2023? For most new websites, AdSense can be one of the most accessible routes to start earning from ads. However, for a more established website, it's not the only one and definitely not the highest paying monetization program out there. For publishers with at least 100,000 monthly traffic, there are more advanced and profitable monetization solutions, like header bidding, that are normally developed by monetization platforms like Setupad. In fact, we have designed a product specifically for large AdSense publishers who want to combine AdSense demand with header bidding and improve the monetization results. Reach out to Setupad or write a comment to find out more. There are several ad types in Google AdSense ads. All ad units are responsive by default to fit different screen sizes and devices. First, display ads. This is the most popular form of advertising. These are standard banner ads that can include text, images, and video. Second, in-feed ads. These ads are essentially native ads that appear inside a feed, for example, a list of articles. And they resemble the look and feel of your website. They fit seamlessly into the content and are good for user experience. In-feed ads are customizable and great for publishers who have editorial or product listings. Third, in-article ads. This format is also a type of native advertising, and it appears between paragraphs of text on your pages. They don't interrupt users' natural reading flow and are customized to perform well across all article pages. Fourth, multiplex ads. These ads are essentially a content recommendation widget in Google AdSense that displays native ads. This format is highly customizable. You can change it to match the style of your site. Fifth, AdSense custom search ads. If your website has its own search engine, you can utilize custom search ads that appear within search results on your own website. You get paid when users search for something within your site and click on the ad. In addition, you can customize the search results page by excluding specific websites or changing the color scheme. Worth mentioning that custom search ads aren't available for all websites, and a prior review of an AdSense representative is required. Let's go through 7 simple steps to start making money with Google AdSense. First, assess your website type. Certain websites perform better with Google AdSense than others. The types of websites that are easiest to optimize and generate good traffic are blogs, media sites, forums, and social networking sites, as well as online tools and games. Second, don't incentivize clicks. This means you shouldn't click on your own ads or ask others to do it. Google is very strict about ad performance inflation, and such practices may suspend your AdSense account. This may result in getting Google's 2-click penalty, which can significantly decrease your revenues, or complete AdSense ban. Third, create high-quality content. High-quality content that resonates with your audience is essential. It is also the main aspect that determines your website's search rankings. Structure your content around user intent and update it regularly. In addition, follow SEO or search engine optimization. This is a technique that helps to attract visitors to your website organically. Naturally, the higher your traffic, the more money you will earn. Fourth, add ads.txt. Ads.txt, also known as Authorized Digital Sellers, is an IAB initiative that lets you declare authorized sellers of your ad inventory. You can download the ads.txt file directly from your Google AdSense account. Skipping or delaying this step may result in ad revenue absence for up to a month. Fifth, optimize for mobile. According to the data in February 2023, mobile accounted for 59% of the global web traffic. With mobile friendliness being an official ranking factor, you should aim for the best user experience for your mobile users. Sixth, ensure a great user experience. Ranking algorithms like Core Web Vitals look at users' experience with your page. To ensure that your website functions properly, consider these aspects: responsiveness, website loading speed, readability, navigation and alignment, and website interface. Moreover, a bad website interface, for example when ads are too close to content or banners don't have a big enough padding, may lead to Google's 2-click penalty. And seventh, choose the right ad formats. Use ad placements and formats with high ad viewability rates, such as sticky ads, that stay in view for longer. Since Google AdSense pays for clicks, you may want to try ad formats with high CTR, such as interstitial ads that are called vignette in AdSense. Here are 6 advantages of Google AdSense. It's free to join. It's suitable for small publishers. The setup process doesn't require technical knowledge. The Auto Ads option automatically tailors ads to your website and adjusts them to every screen size. It's possible to monetize multiple websites with one AdSense account. And you can also monetize your YouTube channel with AdSense. On the other hand, here are also 5 disadvantages of Google AdSense. Only one demand partner, Google, cannot sell ad impressions for the highest price like with header bidding. Google takes 32% commission of the total ad revenue. If you don't meet the AdSense payment threshold, you won't get paid until overall earnings meet the threshold. If your account is terminated, you won't be able to use AdSense again, and in some cases, monetize content with other Google products like Google Ad Manager. And the last one, Google can terminate your account without a warning. In very rare cases, it's possible to appeal the ban if the website indeed didn't violate any AdSense policies. However, normally if your website gets banned on AdSense, you won't get your account back. There are no shortcuts to earning a lot of money with Google AdSense. You must consistently test ad placements and formats, optimize your website, and most importantly, produce high-quality content. Have you already tried Google AdSense or are partnered with a different monetization partner? Let us know in the comments. Bye and see you next time.